Lahore Engineering brings best packing machine for biscuits, soaps, muffin cakes, hair colors, bleach cream, ice cream, and candy. Packing machine is an essential piece of equipment for businesses involved in the production of food and personal care products. It helps to increase efficiency, improve product quality, and reduce waste.
In this video, we will see how 4-pack soap is packed. A 4-pack soap packing machine is a type of equipment used in the soap manufacturing industry to package soaps in sets of 4. These machines come in different types and sizes, depending on the level of automation required and the specific requirements of the soap manufacturer.